Hello, everyone. My name is Emily, and I am the Program Manager for the National Student Data Corps, and welcome to the NSDC Data Science Flashcard video series. This series will break down data science topics in simple terms that you can leverage throughout your data science journey. Today, we'll be talking about algorithmic fairness. In our digital age, algorithms shape our world, but how do we ensure fairness in these algorithms? First is bias awareness. Algorithms can sometimes make unfair decisions, and recognizing bias is like shining a light on hidden flaws. It's crucial to identify and acknowledge biases in algorithms. Bias awareness is the first step towards fairness. Next is data representation. Diversity in data is key. Imagine data as ingredients in a recipe. A fair algorithm requires a balanced recipe of data. Representing different perspectives will also promote fairness. Lastly is audit and accountability. It's like a quality check for algorithms. Independent audits help ensure fairness and compliance. Organizations should be accountable for algorithmic decisions, and audits and accountability promote trust and fairness. By being aware of bias, using diverse data, and embracing audits, we can create algorithms that treat everyone fairly. Remember, fairness in algorithms is a cornerstone of a just digital world. We welcome you to follow along with the rest of the NSDC Data Science Flashcard video series to learn more about the data science pipeline, data science ethics, and additional topics to support your journey.